Hello, this is Brian Lysing with Financial Brokerage, and I've got a little idea that can help you increase your key person life insurance sales with your business owner clients, your commercial accounts, by using cash value life insurance instead of the usual term insurance. Now, if you're not familiar with key person life insurance, a key person policy is one that helps a business protect against the costs of finding a replacement for this person and lost income due to their unique skills and relationships. Now, we usually use term, but you may want to consider a cash value policy instead. So think of these possibilities. What if instead of remaining with the company, that key person instead moves away? They take a position with another company or they retire. With the term policy, that's money spent that the company can never get back. If they had a cash value plan, the company now has some additional funds from that policy to help find the replacement for that key person. Also consider this, the policy is now an asset of the business. The cash value can have a positive effect on their balance sheet. This is generally available without being public knowledge, and it's not affected at all by business conditions, the stock market, or any sort of credit restrictions. The company always has access to that money. And also, that policy cash value is available to the business at any time. It can be used as collateral for bank loans if needed. The company could also use that policy as a golden handcuff on that key person. It could be a conditional bonus if certain conditions are met, if the person hits certain sales goals, or if they remain with the company for a specific number of years. So be sure to bring this up with your business owner clients, your commercial accounts, your group accounts. Most producers never mention this to those clients. Premiums are much higher than you'll see with the traditional term case, but you're going to be the person bringing something different to the table, and you will certainly be rewarded for it in the end. If you'd like to see some illustrations for this, let me know. You can email me at Financial Brokerage or call at 800-475-5555. And I hope to hear from you soon.